Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, the Not Disturb. Just tap on it once, and here you can select mode for this, the Not Disturb mode. For example, you can set it to total silence, alarms only, priority only. You can also set a duration for this mode here, for 1 hour, for 2 hours, or just until you turn this off, and then tap done. You can also access more settings of this mode here. You can add priority only allows for example, for reminders, events, for messages from anyone, contacts only, starred contacts. The same goes for calls. And there's also an option repeat callers if the same person calls the second time within a 15-minute period, allow it. You can also block visual disturbance here. You can block visual notifications when the Not Disturb mode is on. And you can also add automatic rules, which is basically just a schedule when the Not Disturb mode will be automatically turned on and then turned off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.